Bullish mask network cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $9.23 and $20.10 by 2030. Market investigators accept mask could reach $9.23 by 2025. Bearish mask network market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.64. Mask network presentation. We will examine the cost projection for the mask network and give our own and the market's viewpoints on mask's future in this. Kindly recall that gauging anything is an unpleasant exertion, not to mention the eventual fate of a novel, incredibly unstable monetary resource like mask network. You ought to hence treat this visualization and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration. We should get everything rolling at this point. We should rapidly investigate what mask is and its essentials prior to digging into the mask network cost expectation and giving responses to issues like regardless of whether mask is a savvy venture, why it will succeed or fizzle, and why the cost will climb or fall. What is the mask network? You might download the Scrambled Talk program Mask Network from the application store in Google Play. The program module, made by Suji Yan in 2019, scrambles correspondences traded on Twitter, Facebook, and Mind.com, an open-source person-to-person communication webpage that appreciates extreme right material and is the area of the broadly prohibited scheme site and FOWRs, utilizing ciphertext and AES information keys, through the decentralized independent association MaskDAO. The administration token Mask gives holders a voice in convention improvement, sent off in February 2021. The Mask digital currency has a 1 token equals 1 vote rule and should be marked for no less than 7 days before a democratic meeting to be genuine. ITOs, which are successfully token drops completed over the virtual entertainment network, are one more help given by Mask Network. The program likewise integrates a record stockpiling network and a symbolic trade. Mask Network specialized investigation. Despite the fact that it is hard to give a specialized examination of the Mask Network cryptographic money that is 100% right, TradingView's complex specialized investigation device permits you to see the collected Mask trade rating continuously for a picked time period. The most generally utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, are the underpinning of the MASK USD report. Mask Network current cost. Mask Network is at present worth $2.05 USD. Mask has moved 9.08% as of now with an exchanging volume of $83,314,533. Mask Network is at present positioned 130 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $146,045,110 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Mask Network to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mask Network Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Mask Network mask cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of mask will before long outperform $5.13. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the mask's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, mask will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.10 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.51. Mask Network Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $7.18 and Mask might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mask is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.56 and a low of $6.15 in 2024. Mask Network Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Mask Network effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Mask coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mask will be green in 2025. The Mask is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $9.23, with a base cost of $8.20 and a typical cost of $8.61. Mask Network Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the mask cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10.66 by 2026, with a base cost of $10.25 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mask has a greatest value worth of $11.28. Mask Network Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12.71. In the event that Mask figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $13.33. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mask needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $12.30. Mask Network Value Forecast 2028. While Mask is endeavoring towards interoperability between networks to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $14.35 and a yearly cost close above $15.38 in 2028. Mask Network Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Mask Network will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $16.40 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $17.43, averaging out at $16.81. Mask Network Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Mask cost in 2030 is projected to be $20.10 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $19.28. This is the latest conjecture we have for the Mask Network. A positive pattern recommends that Mask will finish strong. These are only a small bunch of the specialized examinations and discoveries that our foundation's eminent subject matter experts and investigators have given. The assessment of the GAVE measurements, which depend on observational information, is finished utilizing the former valuing examination. Investigate as needs be prior to making a speculation. What is the Mask Network cost today? Today, Mask Network is exchanging at $2.05 with a complete market capitalization of $146,045,110. Is Mask Network a wise venture? Mask Network ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that Mask is a decent decision of venture. How high can Mask Network go? The typical cost of Mask Network might potentially reach $2.87 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Mask Network might outperform $13.33. What amount will Mask Network be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising ubiquity of cryptographic money and Mask Network, a drawn-out interest in Mask could see the value ascend to $13.33 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Mask Network be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Mask Network today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Mask might actually ascend to $23.99 inside the following 10 years. What will the Mask Network cost be in 2023? Mask Network cost is supposed to reach $5.13 by 2023. What will the Mask Network cost be in 2024? Mask Network cost is supposed to reach $7.18.